hills to go tobogganing. Me and my niece Thea are going to show you the 3 top places in Toronto to go tobogganing. Our first stop is Centennial Park. As you can see, it's beautiful, it's snowy, there's already a ton of people on the slope. So are you ready to go check it out, Thea? Yeah?
Centennial Park is a great tobogganing spot for families. It accommodates all skill levels with a big and small hill. So it's great for both kids and adults. Me and Thea definitely enjoyed this one because it wasn't too scary.
Watch out below! Okay. Oh god. Oh god. Is everyone having a good time today?
Yeah. I have a 6-year-old, a 4-year-old, and a 2-year-old, and it's not too much, and I can still pull them up the hill. It's convenient. There's parking, and it's not a far walk, and the hill's not too steep. It's perfect. I'm dying.
Just finished at Centennial Park. My hair is a mess, but I just wanted to point out that another great thing is Tim Hortons, Mr. Sub. There's a lot of food places that's only 4 minutes away from the tobogganing hill, and then across the street there is Subway, Teriyaki, Starbucks, and pizza. So a lot of food options when you work up an appetite at Centennial Park.
Next on the list is Riverdale Park East, and right off the bat you can see it has a great view of the city.
So this hill definitely looks steeper than Centennial Park.
Yeah, it does.
Riverdale Park East is the spot to go if you're looking for a thrill, because the main hill takes you for a ride. The park does have a smaller hill for families and young children, but you notice more groups of adults coming to this location.
I wiped out pretty hard. Kind of worth it, but it's pretty fun if you can stomach it.
I got a face full of snow and I caught some air, which is cool, but my body's old, 30 plus. I mean, anything younger, you're great. After that, you need some Advil. It was fun.
And they weren't the only ones that took a wipe out. And yep, that's our toboggan trailing behind us.
Oh, I think I broke a rib. Are you okay? Are you okay? I know. That was so scary. We both fell down. And like this walk up is so slippery too. So overall, Riverdale Park East, I mean, it's a lot of fun, a little bit scary. There is a bunny hill for kids. Most of the adults are on the really steep hill, but I mean, I got injured. My niece got injured.
That mountain is very dangerous and very icy, and it's very high.
I saw a bunch of other people injured. There's blood on the floor. It looks like someone barfed, so that's probably not good. So you definitely need to be prepared for the steep slopes. However, the place is extremely accessible, a lot of public transit, a lot of street parking, which could be bad, obviously, if it's too full, but I mean, we found parking pretty easily, and really close to Hot Chocolate too. There's a lot of restaurants nearby. I know Chinatown's nearby also, so a lot of food places and hot chocolate to go eat afterwards. So it's a new day, and of course we're checking out a new tobogganing hill. So last week, me and my niece checked out 2 places, and she was so traumatized, she said, I don't want to go tobogganing again. So I had to check this one out by myself, but so far, so great.
Christy Pits is a huge park on Bloor Street that has lots of space to spread out and find your own little corner to ride the hills.
I made it, I survived this time.
There are steep slopes and smaller ones for friends and families to enjoy. However, Christy Pits is not on the approved list of tobogganing spots in Toronto, but the parents I spoke to agreed it's one of the best.
It's not as packed, right? There's not as many people around, a lot more kids around. So it's not as dangerous. I won't have to, look around as much and worry as much.
I think, well, location, being near the subway station, Bloor Street, for food, coffee, whatever, centrally located, so it's pretty, ticks all the boxes.
So this is actually my first time going tobogganing in like 10-15 years, and I'm so happy I got the opportunity to go. I actually forgot how fun it is, and it doesn't matter what age you are. So hopefully you get to check out one of the 3 best tobogganing parks in Toronto.
Now I want to know, what are your favorite spots to go tobogganing in the city? If you've already had a chance to check out one of Toronto's awesome hills, let us know in the comments. With Narcity Canada, I'm Ashna Barkata.
Are you okay?
Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe to our Narcity channel to see more great content.